Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Hey you guys, so really quick, I just wanted to show you what my hair looked like wet, and sometimes I will trim my hair this way, but if I feel like my hair isn't giving me like really raggedy ends while it's wet, then I will wait and blow dry my hair and then section my hair off into 4 sections and see what needs to be trimmed. Then I'm really just trying to show you that my ends really didn't look too bad, but my camera wasn't focusing fast enough for you guys. And sorry if my background is a little loud right now, but also if my hair is in twist, I will trim my hair wet and twist. But most of the time I will braid my hair and trim my hair. I'm going to leave a couple of videos of the way that I've already trimmed my hair in the past. They are still relevant. Like, I will still do those depending on what type of stage that my hair is in. So, like I said before, it's really simple to trim your own hair at home. It's nothing to be afraid of. And the scissors that I use is scissors from Walmart. It's the Goody brand, I believe. They were only about like $5 or so. So as you guys can see, like, my ends are just a little raggedy. I've seen a lot of single strand knots on the ends of my hair. The camera really wasn't picking them up, so I wanted to just snip those off. But I'm really trying to get back down to tailbone length, so I'm not going to be trimming a ridiculous amount of hair off of my hair because I've already trimmed my hair in December. So I just kind of snip my ends as I see that they need to be snipped. But yeah, you guys, it's really easy to trim your hair at home. If you are not sure about it, just take a little bit off. Don't just start with a whole chunk of hair. I mean, it's better to go smaller than to go larger with taking hair off. So I really hope this video helped you guys. And yeah, just enjoy the video. So if you guys give this a try, please let me know down in the comment section and give me a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.